Great way to enhance your lawn and really make it stand out is to get stripes like this, but usually getting these is very expensive and it can even be hard to do. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a very unique lawnmower that makes this easy, and it comes with a price tag that's a lot more affordable. So watch this video and you can see this mower in action. Now, if you want the highest quality lawnmower on the market, the Swardman Reel Mower is going to win out because it gives the highest quality cut, leaves absolutely perfect stripes in your lawn, and it's even versatile because you can switch out the reel mower for things like a verticutter or even a dethatcher, and it makes it really versatile. But the one downfall of the Swardman is it does come at a higher price, and for a lot of people, if they want to get those great lawn stripes, it might not be possible to get one of these Swardmans. But I'm going to show you a lawnmower that's not quite as high-end as the Swardman, but it still can deliver some excellent stripes, and it's a very high-quality machine. It comes to us all the way from New Zealand, and the name of this mower is the Masport Rotarola. Now, you've probably never heard of this mower, and it is unique, but the good news is it's sold in the US, you can order it anywhere, and they can even ship it right to your door. But this mower has been made for a number of years and sold in many other countries, mainly to golf courses and professional users who wanted to get amazing stripes from a rotary mower. Now, first, this mower looks like a lot of other ones, but it's very different, and as we look underneath, you'll see what makes this so unique. It's got a regular high-quality lawnmower blade, but on the bottom you can see there a solid steel roller as opposed to putting two rear wheels. Now, this has a huge advantage for mowing the lawn, because instead of those little wheels in the back, this roller is what gives you those perfect stripes. But having a roller isn't enough. You need to have a machine that's designed to use it and has enough weight to keep that roller on the ground. And this is where Masport got it right, because they've got a lot of experience with these rear roller mowers, so they know what they're doing. One of the first features that I love is the fact it's got this cast aluminum body. Mowers used to all have those, and they slowly got rid of them, probably to save cost. The next thing that's very unique is this handle. It's got super thick padding that makes this a lot more comfortable to grip. Now, this might just seem like a small addition, but you don't see it on a lot of other brands. And this next feature is probably my single favorite on this entire mower, and this is a single lever that allows you to adjust the height of this mower. So from one point, you can make this mower rise up or down. That's very different than almost any other rotary mower on the market, where you normally have to adjust each wheel independently, and a lot of times you make a mistake. With this, it's instant and it's foolproof. Look at the side of the machine. This is another cool feature. If you want to store this thing in a little bit less space, you don't need any tools. You just flip two levers and the whole thing folds over on itself. So this takes a lot less space, and if you pop the bag off, you really can fit this into a much more compact space. Normally, grass bags aren't really a big deal, but this one's very different. If you look closely, we've got a handle on the back of the bag, and I'm also holding the handle on the top. But what's even more unique is on this bag, you've got a very wide mouth, makes it easier to dump it, but also on the bottom, you've got this hard plastic shell, and this protects it against kind of wearing out if you hit rocks or any kind of pavement. So it's a really high quality bag, and it's very unusual. It's not like any other grass bag I've used on a regular type of mower like this. Another testament to the build quality is that plate on the back of the mower where the bag attaches is solid steel, and it's even got a little catch. So this thing really fits very snugly on the machine, and I like the fact that when that cover goes down, the bag is solidly locked in. You've got a remote throttle on this machine, and the engine is a Briggs & Stratton professional 8.5 horsepower motor, so that's a pretty heavy duty motor. But the bigger thing that I like is that they used a special muffler on this that I've never seen before. In fact, that thing is huge. So I've noticed that when I use this, the noise level is definitely reduced from a normal type rotary mower. Using this machine is pretty much like any other walk-behind rotary mower. It feels just like a standard machine until you look what you're leaving behind, which are some really great stripes. And that's a huge reason to purchase one of these machines, is because you want to get stripes like this. And this mower, along with that roller, makes a big difference in the finished appearance, as you can see. As I finish mowing my lawn, let's talk about the pros and cons of this Masport Rotarola. The biggest pro is the stripes and the cut. It cuts very, very well, the vacuum ability is excellent, and I found the mower to just be a real pleasure to use with a lot of those convenience features. Now, the other pro, of course, is the stripes. getting this mower is going to give you a much better finished appearance right out of the box. So if you buy one of these, you can expect some really good results the minute you use it. It's also very easy to use. Now, some of the cons for this mower include the price. It is going to cost more than an average walk-behind mower, but that should be expected because you're going to get a much better appearance and you're getting a lot more features. And keep in mind that this machine's build quality really is on par with most commercial machines that are available in the US. The other con about it is that it only will cut at a maximum height of just about 2 inches, which may sound very short to most people, but that's the height that I usually cut my own lawn at, and this machine does very well. It also can cut extremely low, but it's not going to be as good as a real mower when you get into the sub-inch heights, at least in my opinion. But it gives you a great option for somebody that wants to have a well-manicured yard, excellent stripes, and no fussing around with striping kits or add-on abilities that you probably would never end up using on a regular mower. So this gives you another option if you're looking to replace your mower or get something new. I've put links in the description for more information, and if you have questions, please comment below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and again, I want to thank you for watching my videos.